Who chewed up Mommy's hand-carved wooden sleeping cat? Who did this? Was it you, Bug? Eddie? Charlie? Was it you? I loved this piece. Who would do... Bella, did you chew up Mommy's piece? Bella, did you do this? Bella, was it you? You little shit. Bella! And that's how you tell who did the bad thing. The one that won't make eye contact. The one that just sits there looking away. Guilty as sin. Right, Boo? Yep.